Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of Man Cake. My name is Dan, and today we're going to take a break from writing those New Year's resolutions. I'm sure a few of us have quite a bit to write. I know I do. And we're going to make a champagne and strawberries cheesecake. What better way to ring in the new year than some bubbly, a little bit of good strawberries, and delicious cheesecake. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe down below so you know when brand new recipes are available. You can try them out with me. And there's also a nice little giveaway link down there also. Be sure to click that, check it out. Maybe you'll get a chance to win. It's the first giveaway, so definitely be sure when you subscribe to ring the bell so you know when other giveaways are going to happen throughout the year. Got some big things in the works. Definitely think you guys are going to enjoy it. Now before we start, be sure to preheat your oven to 325 degrees and take a little sip of the little bubbly. And let's get started. And the first step for this delicious cheesecake is going to be to get the cream cheese ready. Now we're going to use 3 8-ounce bars of softened cream cheese. It's got to be a big cheesecake, it's New Year's. And to that, we're going to add 1 cup of white sugar. And then just taking a hand mixer, we're going to go ahead and beat the cream cheese and the sugar on a high speed for about 10 minutes until everything's well combined. Now to our cream cheese, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and a half cup of sweet condensed milk. Now our next addition is going to be to add a half cup of reduced champagne. Not this one, this is our baking champagne. So to reduce the champagne, what I like to do is take a cup of champagne, throw it on the stove, and let it boil on a high heat for about 8 minutes until it's reduced down to about 1/4 cup. Once cooled, we can go ahead and add that to the mixture, which I already did, and it's already cool. So let's go ahead and add that into our cheesecake. Now let's go ahead and mix all these ingredients on a low speed using the hand mixer. Then we're going to add 2 eggs, yolks and the whites, and follow that with just 2 egg yolks. No whites with this one. Then we'll just mix everything up on a low speed until everything is just combined. And that is a simple cheesecake filling. Next, we're going to want to do the crust. So for the crust, if you've been here a couple times, if you watch the cheesecake, you know the crust is the easiest part of the whole cheesecake. So I'm just using my standard cheesecake crust recipe, which is about 14 whole graham crackers crushed up to a nice fine crumbly powder, and to that add 1 stick of melted butter and a cup of white sugar. Then you just mix those up and press that down into your springform pan. And to finish our crust, we're just going to lay down some chopped strawberries to the bottom. This way everyone gets a nice strawberry bite. So now that our crust is done and our strawberries are blanketing the bottom, we can go ahead and pour in our cheesecake filling. And there is our yummy strawberries and champagne cheesecake. Now all we have to do is let this bake in the oven just for an hour, and then we'll be able to do some homemade whipped cream, some chocolate strawberries. It's gonna be a good cheesecake. So let's go ahead and pop this in the oven. So our cheesecake is baked, and now it's chilling out for a little bit. We can go ahead and work on our homemade whipped cream. Same whipped cream I've used throughout a bunch of recipes here on Man Cake, but still wanna show you guys how to make it because it's so good. So we're gonna take 2 cups of heavy cream in a mixing bowl, and to that, we're gonna add a half cup of powdered sugar. And then with our handy hand mixer, we're gonna go ahead and mix everything up on a high speed for about 10-15 minutes until the whipped cream is really starting to hold its shape and we have kind of nice hard peaks. So whipped cream done, we can go ahead and start piping it on top of our delicious, yummy cheesecake. Now, as you can see, the cheesecake did crack a little bit, but that's all right. It's just cheesecake, and it's gonna be delicious no matter what. And with our homemade whipped cream, we can just go ahead and cover it up. No one will ever know the difference. Next, we're gonna go ahead and take some halved strawberries and arrange them on top around the rim of the cheesecake. Now let's go ahead and drizzle some white chocolate. Then, after you sprinkle some milk chocolate on top of that, you have your strawberries and champagne cheesecake. Already smells like a brand new year. I say we slice into this bad boy and see how it tastes. I'm impatient. I want to taste it now, but definitely make sure that you let your cheesecake enough time to really set and chill in the fridge. I'd say maybe about an hour, hour and a half. You'll be good to go. Let's get the strawberry first. Honestly, I could probably eat this whole thing right now. Don't want to do that in front of you guys, but the cheesecake is just, it's soft, it's still kind of warm, which I kind of like. The strawberries at the bottom are just a nice surprise, really. Can't go wrong with it. Who doesn't love strawberries? Who doesn't love champagne, chocolate? You're gonna love this. Bring it to a party, they're gonna love it. It'll be gone in minutes, especially if I'm there. Well, that's all I have for you this week. Don't forget to subscribe down below and ring the bell so you know when brand new recipes are available. And while you're down there, check out that giveaway link. I think there's probably about like 2 weeks left to enter. And don't forget to check out Facebook and Instagram and Twitter, doing kind of all fun things around there. And until next week, bye.